Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the intriguing world of everyday manipulation tactics. These aren't the sleazy tricks you might imagine. Instead, they're subtle psychological strategies that can enhance your communication skills and help you navigate social situations more effectively. So, if you want to level up your conversational game and understand the art of persuasion, stick around until the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The power of reciprocity. Have you ever noticed how people tend to return favors? This is the principle of reciprocity. When you do something nice for someone, they feel an implicit obligation to return the favor. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. You see someone struggling to carry their heavy order. You step in to help. Later, when you ask them for a small favor, like sharing your YouTube channel with their friends, they're more likely to comply. Why? Because you created a sense of indebtedness. Reciprocity activates a powerful psychological trigger in the brain that fosters goodwill and cooperation. By using this tactic, you not only gain assistance, but also build a positive connection. So remember, when you give, you're not just being kind, you're setting the stage for future benefits. Point 2. The scarcity principle. Ever heard the phrase, limited time offer? This is a classic example of the scarcity principle. People are more motivated to act when they believe something is rare or in limited supply. Let's say you're at an event and you overhear that a particular item is running out. You mention this casually to your friends. Suddenly, they're scrambling to get their hands on it, feeling the urgency. The brain perceives scarcity as a loss, triggering a fear of missing out, or FOMO. This can compel people to make decisions more quickly, often without fully thinking them through. Use this principle wisely, and you'll find that people are much more likely to engage with your ideas or offers when they feel they could lose out. Point 3. The foot in the door technique. This technique involves starting with a small request to get someone to agree to a larger request later. It's all about building commitment. Picture this. You ask a colleague to review a short document for you. Once they agree, later, you ask them to help with a larger project. Because they've already said yes once, they're more likely to agree again. This method exploits the consistency principle in human psychology. Once someone commits to a small action, they're more inclined to align their beliefs and actions with that commitment. It's a clever way to create momentum and increase the likelihood of compliance. So there you have it. 3 everyday manipulation tactics that can transform the way you communicate and influence those around you. Remember, the goal is not to manipulate others in a harmful way, but to understand and enhance your interactions.